Hello there. Welcome to the Kids Heart Challenge Mission Experience. Each of the 20 lessons in the Kids Heart Challenge Mission Experience will help you learn about your heart, help you practice heart-healthy habits, and help save lives by raising donations while earning you some fun thank you gifts along the way. When you open your Kids Heart Challenge Mission Experience, you will enter into our gym. This is your home screen filled with educational information. Each of the posters on the wall will tell you more about your heart and brain, and give you some insight into how to earn our Heart Hero friends. While the family icon in the bottom right corner will show you ways to get your family involved and active. To get you started, you will click on the projector screen to learn all about your mission. You will meet all of our Heart Hero friends and hear about how you can help save lives.
Hello there. I'm excited to be at your school today and to kick off Kids Heart Challenge with the American Heart Association.
Once you have met Agent KHC and his Heart Hero friends, you can then click on Finn's picture here and see how kids like you are helping kids like him when you participate in Kids Heart Challenge. Then, to get you started on your mission, you will click on the glowing vault to access your weekly challenges. All you have to do is select which week you are on and then select which day your teacher has assigned to you. By the way, everything outlined in blue on every slide is clickable, so check out Dash's virtual envelope and see how you can earn each thank you gift and learn more about the American Heart Association. Once you select your day, you can start on your daily challenge. On the left side of each mission, you will find tasks to help you become a Heart Hero recruit and save lives through the Kids Heart Challenge. To complete these, get your parents to help you use the Kids Heart Challenge app or go online to heart.org/KHC to register. Once registered, you can sign up for your school's team to help them reach their fundraising goal. Plus, you can take heart-healthy pledges and challenge others to join in, and you get a free wristband just for signing up. Once you've completed your KHC mission, the right side of each day contains your lessons. Each day will have a physical activity and a healthy tip. Click on the area labeled number 2 to start practicing your skills.
Hey kids.
And then read our Heart Hero health tip of the day in space number 3. Once you have finished all of these activities, click on the Mission Complete button for today's special assignment. Decode your secret message and send back to your teacher so they know you have completed today's task. If you ever need to go back to the weekly homepage, click on the back arrow in the bottom right corner. And to return to the KHC Mission Experience home screen, click on the Gym button. So that is how you use the KHC Mission Experience. Now go out and take the challenge. Start saving lives today.